Your fridge stopped cooling this morning and you need it fixed today. Is same-day appliance repair actually possible? Yes, here's how it works. How we offer same-day service. Our techs carry the most commonly needed parts on their trucks. Thermal fuses, heating elements, igniters, door gaskets, start relays, fan motors, belts, and more. For the top 50 most common repairs across all brands, we can fix it in one visit. What happens when a part isn't in stock? Sometimes the diagnosis reveals a less common part is needed. In that case, we order the part directly from the manufacturer. Most OEM parts arrive in 1 to 3 business days. We schedule a return visit as soon as the part arrives. Our service area: Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, Hobe Sound, and Port Salerno. We're based locally on the Treasure Coast. Scheduling: call us and we'll try to get a tech out that same day. Morning calls typically get same-day afternoon appointments. Afternoon calls may go to the next morning depending on volume. What you should do while waiting: if your fridge isn't cooling, avoid opening the door. A closed fridge keeps food safe for 4 to 6 hours. A closed freezer stays frozen for 24 to 48 hours. If your oven, stove, or dryer isn't working, simply don't use it until the tech arrives. Same-day appliance repair. Call now. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.